Hello everyone, this is Yungang Wu with Labii. And then a lot of time when I'm doing the marketing, I need to post some content to the social media like the LinkedIn and some other website. And then since Labii's API widget is so powerful, I'm thinking about maybe I can do that within the Labii directly. So I give it a try, and today I want to provide this kind of tutorial. So as an example, and then I provide some information as you see from here. It's going to include a long description as well as an image that I'm going to be uploaded into the LinkedIn. So to do that is actually very simple. The first step for you to do is just authorize your API by simply click this author button. So I'm going to do that. Once you're authorized, you just need to click the register the upload button. And then once it's done, then click the second button to upload these particular images from here. Then as you can see from here, the image has been successfully uploaded, and then I can create a post right by clicking this button. And as you can see, the feed is being created, and then I can actually open this one by simply click it. And as you can see, they just posted, and then with an image being attached to it. And then I can also repost the messages to my personal LinkedIn, and then I can do that by simply clicking the repost button. When it's done, it actually provides a second link, and then I can also open this link to check it out. So it's being reposted directly over here. So how Labii do that? So I'm going to show you. You can actually open this configuration to see more details. So I already have it open, so let's take a quick look. So as you see from here, we will first using the author tool provider, just choosing the LinkedIn. And then over here for the first step to register the uploader, you just need to provide this kind of the image upload URL, provide this kind of headers, and then inside the body, you just need to specify your organization ID as shown from here. So once you initialize, we want to save all the data that returned from value into the same input box. So that's for the first step. The second step to upload the images, you just need to actually grab the upload URL that is saved before. So as you see from here, once it's being saved, it will attach this file. So this is being actually stored in a different kind of column. So we'll grab that file and upload the first file to the Labii. And then once we do that, it should be able to upload these files to the LinkedIn directly. So this is how we're able to upload the file. Once the file is being successfully uploaded, we want to update this kind of data with the image URL. So that's for the second step. The last step is to create the post. So it's also very simple. You just paste the URL, say the LinkedIn REST post, and then with this kind of headers. Inside the body, you just need to specify what kind of content you want to post to it. You can include the hash key if you want to. And then also for this ID is actually the same URL ID, the image URL ID that you uploaded to the system. So with that, once it's been successfully posted, I want to create a link out of it. So that's it. So you are able to create a post to LinkedIn directly. And then to repost is also very easy. As you can see from here, I can simply just say same goes to this link, just rest the post with this kind of header. The only thing that will make it a difference is that you need to specify the author to yourself, and also the shared content will be the link that come from the organization post. Yeah, and then after it's being successfully uploaded, you just simply create a new link, save the link into the system. So that's it. And as you can see, it's actually very easy to post this information into the LinkedIn directly, and then similarly you can do that for the Twitter, for the Facebook, or different kind of social media. So this actually can save you a lot of money. Like you don't need to purchase any additional kind of platform to help you post to the social media. It also saves you a lot of time. You don't need to do that manually by yourself. All right, feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.